If you're trying to install NordVPN on a Samsung Smart TV and you're already confused, you're not alone. Samsung TVs don't support VPN apps the same way phones or computers do, so there's no direct NordVPN app you can download from the Samsung App Store. But the good news is, you can still use NordVPN on your Samsung Smart TV, and I'll show you the easiest and most reliable ways to do it depending on what setup you have. The simplest method is using a streaming device. If you have a Fire TV stick, Android TV box, or Chromecast with Google TV plugged into your Samsung TV, you're set. Just turn on the device, open the App Store, search for NordVPN, download it, sign in, and connect to a server. Once connected, everything you stream through that device is protected by NordVPN. This method gives you full VPN control, works great for changing regions, and doesn't require touching your router settings. Another popular option is using your router. If your Wi-Fi router supports VPN connections, you can install NordVPN directly on the router. Once that's done, your Samsung Smart TV automatically uses the VPN connection without installing anything on the TV itself. This setup takes a bit longer, but it protects every device on your network at the same time. There are also backup options if those don't work for you. You can share a VPN connection from a Windows PC using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi hotspot, then connect your Samsung TV to that shared connection. It's not the cleanest setup, but it works if you're stuck. The key thing to remember is this: Samsung Smart TVs don't support VPN apps directly, so if you see ads claiming one-click NordVPN install on Samsung TV, be careful. Use a streaming device, a VPN-enabled router, or a shared connection. That's how you do it properly. If this helped you get NordVPN running on your Samsung Smart TV, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next guide.